अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है साइंस सब्जेक्ट द ह्यूमन बॉडी। योर बॉडी इज़ लाइक अ वंडरफुल मशीन। इट कैन डू हंड्रेड ऑफ डिफरेंट जॉब्स. These jobs are done by different organs and systems. The organs and systems perform different functions, but they all work together. Will organs and organ system are these children's human brain? The brain is the controller center of the body. It controls all the systems and organs. Cerebrum controls memory and thinking, taste, smell, touch, sight, and hearing. Cerebellum muscles control and medulla activities of the heart, stomach, and kidney. Did you know the brain is about 73% water? This is why it is so important to make sure you drink plenty of water. If you did not, it can affect your ability to pay attention and learn. Cerebral muscles control the human brain, the sense organ. These help us to sense the world around us. The sense organs take in information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of your environment. Our senses are important. They help to keep us safe from dangers. Eyes, when the eyes see something, they send a message to the brain. The brain tells us what we are seeing. Did you know eyelashes help keep the eyes clean by collecting small dirt and dust particles floating in the ears? They also protect the eyes from strong sunlight. Ears. The ears receive sounds from outside. The sounds are carried to the brain. The brain tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. Our eyes enable to us to hear and also help us to keep our balance. Nose. Many things give off smells, scents, and odors. These smells travel through the air. The nerves in the nose receives these smells. The brain tells us if the smells are pleasant or not. Tongue. The tongue helps us to the taste thing. The tongue is covered with the tiny pores with different things. We can tell if something is sweet or bitter, salty or hot. The tongue also helpful to talk. Skin. The skin helps us to feel. Just under the surface of the skin are the ends of nerves. When we touch something, the nerves endings send a message to the brain. We can feel heat, sound, cold, pressure, and pain. We can feel it something is hard or soft. Now the next step is concept check. Which sense organs are organs would be involved in senses these changes. While you are sleeping, there is the sudden change in temperature. While searching in a bag for a book, a pin pricks your fingers. While you are in your bedroom, someone comes through the front door of the house. Try to write a short sentence while keeping your eyes closed and covered with other hands. What are the efforts of our right? The system of the body, the organ and the other part of the body from different systems. The first part is the skeletal system and the second is the muscular system. This is the difference between the skeletal system and the muscle system. The skeletal system, the human body has a framework of bones called skeletal system. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and also protect the part insides like skull, jawbone, ribs, upper arm, spine, hip bone, lower arm bones, finger bones, tight bones, kneecap, two bones, heels. This is called the skeletal systems inside the body parts. And the next topic is the muscular system. The muscles make up the muscular system. These systems work closely with the skeletal systems and forms part of the body. From what muscles allow us to move different parts of the body. This is called the muscular system, and this is the insiding area that you can see in this picture. And the third step is the digestive system. Like that, digestive system is stomach. The stomach and the channels through which food passes are called the digestive system. Starting from the mouth, this system includes the stomach, the liver, and the channels which food passes through. Like that, food pipes, liver, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. This is called the digestive system. Then our next topic is the circular system. The circular system. Circularity system. Hope so. Yes. Blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body. The blood circulates around the body through veins and arteries. These, along with the heart, make up the circulatory systems like veins, heart, and arteries. This is called the circulatory system of the body. And the next is the respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe, and lungs. Air is pumped into and pushed out of the body. By these systems in the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body, like nose, right lungs, left lungs, and windpipe. This is examples and the symptoms of the respiratory system. Next, the nerve system. The brain and the nerves from the nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals that from the senses organs and talk the message to the brain. The excretory system. Through the excretory systems, we are able to get rid of all waste products of the body. The lungs get rid of waste airs. The kidneys get rid of urine, and the skin get rid of the sweat. And then we will check the concept checking. There are many parts of systems in the body. Match the systems or organs to its functions. Skeletal systems give the body a framework and the protect part of it. Next is the brain, the controller system of the body. Muscular system works closely with the skeletal systems to allow us to move the part of the body. And the fourth option is the digestive system. The correct answer is carry food through the skeleton, through the stomach, and the other channels. Thank you so much.